Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy breakfast blueberry smoothie. This smoothie is packed with nutrients and is perfect for starting your day off on the right foot. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, optional. First, add the frozen blueberries to your blender. Next, add the banana. Then pour in the almond milk. Add a tablespoon of honey for sweetness. If you want to add some extra protein to your smoothie, you can also add a scoop of vanilla protein powder. Now, blend everything together until it's smooth and creamy. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy breakfast blueberry smoothie. Pour it into a glass and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips.